What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am again at this shop and I'm getting some lights installed on this car, and I'm gonna show you. This is my friend's car and I have showed you this car before, and I have also reviewed this car. So this is the i10 Grant and I have showed you this car multiple times. Today we are getting some lights installed on this car, some DRLs, and we bought some other lights, interior lights. I'm gonna show you how to install it. There is one new light which is going to be in the interior and they are pretty good. I'm going to show you how to install them. It is really easy and you can do it by yourself. You don't have to go anywhere, or you won't be having any electrical issues with that, because it is really easy. You just have to plug it in the cigarette lighter and then it will work. And I'm just going to show you how you have to install it. So this is the light we got. This is the whole pack, and we have 4 lights in here, and we have the wiring for this light. We are just going to install it right here. Here is the place to install all these lights, and there are 4 lights, so we can install it at all 4 corners. And it is really, I'm just gonna show you the wiring. So this is one plug, it is unplugged. I have plugged it by myself, so it is really easy. You have 4 plugs here, and this is the adapter for your light, and this is the other adapter, other end of the adapter, and it is gonna go in really easily. As you have seen, I just did this right now. And the other end of the adapter is USB. You just have to plug it in your USB, and you need to have some 3M tape which are already provided in the box. So you just have to put it here, your 3M tape, and you can just paste it there, and you just have to route your wiring, which is really easy. You don't have to do anything, or you don't have to pull out any panel. You can just stuck it somewhere under your carpet or something like that, wherever you want to, and you can just plug it on the USB port wherever it is. He have a USB port here, and he have a USB port in front of his car, so he can plug it wherever he wants to. And if you are gonna get these lights, you can just plug them in, and it's not that difficult. These are some knockoffs, so these are not expensive lights. Like, it's okay, they work for a couple of years, and in couple of years you just get bored with some lights, so you can change these lights easily. You don't have to pay a lot of money, and then you are gonna regret that you bought these lights and now you want some other lights. So these are just, it is good, you can have them and you will be happy with that. So other than these lights, we are going to install it after some time. I think I'm going to make another video of installing these lights. I don't know, I'm not sure about it, but other than this, we are getting DRLs. The lights I got, the DRL lights I got in the last video, I'm getting that too. So right now he's installing the DRL. He's the same person who installed the DRLs on my friend's car a couple of days ago, and he's doing the same job on this car too, and it's not difficult on this car too. You just have to apply that on the edge of the headlight and you will be able to do it. And I showed you the wiring last time. It's not difficult, you just have to go inside it. Here's the plug, so you just have to do it right here, and it's not going to be difficult in this car too. So they have grounded the wire. This is the ground wire. They have connected it to the chassis, because you have to connect it to your chassis to ground the circuit, because you don't want that to blow up if there is more power. And now they are plugging it in the main power to turn it on. So right now he's checking which of the wire is going to connect, where it is connect for the indicator. So right now they are checking where the wire is gonna go in the fuse box, because they have to connect it to a fuse. If something happens, the fuse is gonna blow, and you can just replace the fuse. You won't have any problem in your. So he have connected the wire in the plug. So this is the indicator plug which is gonna go inside the headlight, and he have plugged that wire, the DRL wire, inside it. So now it is working with the indicator. As you can see, it is working with the indicator and it is blinking while we have our indicator on. So this is the second light which we are getting installed. So this is going to be installed on the door, and from here till here it is going to be red. Till here it is going to be red on the left side, and on the bottom it is going to be white. And I think it is going to look nice after getting it installed. I'm going to show you how it's going to look. The wiring from the light they have tucked in under this trim, and it is connected to the other wire which is gonna go on that side. This was the interior light which was coming off, and he just used some 3M tape to stick it up. I hope you'll be able to see it is blinking, and you are able to see the red light, some of the red light on. It is not easy to look because it is bright out. So, and here you are able to see it is white. So there is that place. So the light here is red and here is white. So it is gonna blink like this. Whenever the gate is gonna be open, it is gonna be blinking like this. The red light is gonna blink like this, and white light is gonna be still. At night it is gonna look great. I am pretty sure about it. At night it is gonna look great, and he'll be happy with these lights. It is better at this side. You are able to see the red light way more, and it is looking great. And at the bottom it is white, and you are able to see it more because it's a little bit bright. A lot of sunlight is not here, so it looks great, and I'm pretty happy about this. And I hope it won't go out really quickly, and it is gonna be here for a few months at least. He's also getting the wipers replaced. These wipers doesn't work properly. It is really easy to remove these wipers. You just have to put them out, and it is really easy. You just have to pull them in a certain position, and they'll come out really easily. And we are gonna put the new wipers in. So everything is done. They have also replaced the wipers and they look great, and these wipers are not gonna make any scratch on the window, and it is gonna look great. It is gonna be fine, and these are good quality wipers. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you were just able to learn how to do some wiring. If you are getting some interior lights, it's not that difficult. You can do it by yourself. So thank you guys for watching. Just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because you know that helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Peace out.